Hey guys, welcome back to another Hug Your Home video, except I'm not doing floors. That's boring. I can't do it. I can't make one more boring video. Today we're gonna talk about something that I'm excited about, and that is decorating for spring. I know some of you think that decorating for spring is super lame and kind of a waste of money, but here's the thing. It's all about, like, I don't know, bringing a little sunshine inside. Yes, it's an obnoxious amount of bunnies and chicks and Easter eggs and bright colors, and it kind of looks like a baby's room, but it makes me happy. It makes me love my home a little bit more, and it doesn't take a lot of time or money to do it, so I'm going to hope to challenge you to do a little spring decor. So my go-to dollar store spring decor is always like bunnies and birds from the dollar store, and they have a ton right now. I think they're meant for like old people's gardens. They are breakable. I did smash a bunny, poor bunny. Some are plastic, but this one is ceramic, and it's from Dollarama, and I'm painting it with Annie Sloan chalk paint. It's called Antoinette because I'm so into pink right now. I want to make everything pink. Joe says no. Apparently it's a little too feminine for him, but yeah, so I'm slapping on some chalk paint. I also found these demon bunnies from Dollarama because they look like they're staring into your soul with their red demon eyes. But with a quick coat of chalk paint, they look adorable. Probably the best find this year was these speckled eggs from the Dollar Tree. They actually look really high end, and you get 6 for $1. And so just those few dollar store things together made this really pretty centerpiece. Oh, I love it. Bunnies for days. So last year I also picked up little bunnies and chicks from the Dollar Tree and Dollarama and painted them teal and sort of distressed them. I'm going to put the link down below to that. So I added those again this year, and those speckled eggs from the Dollar Tree, which were such a score. And it's really simple, but it's a very pretty Easter decor. Now I'm going to show you how to make an inexpensive flower arrangement for Easter. I picked up this tin flower pot from the Dollar Tree. It was such a good find, and I'm just putting on one coat of this tealy chalk paint, adding a flower foam brick from the Dollar Tree. I'm using two kinds of the lilies from the Dollar Tree just to make it look a little more realistic. They have like two different kinds, so I'm combining those, and I'm going over the lettering with a chalk pen, again from the Dollar Tree. Take a shot every time I say Dollar Tree. We can make this a drinking game. I just think I like the way it looks. It sort of distresses it a little bit and makes the flowers and gardens pop. My centerpiece is just some mason jars chalk painted, some chalk painted dollar store bunnies, some dollar store candles in an old bird cage, and that's it. I think it looks so sweet, and again, most of it is from the dollar store. I picked up this plastic garden dish from the Dollar Tree and a glass vase, and I'm actually just going to hot glue them together so I can give some height to this so I can put it on my mantle. I don't know why I'm bothering with the sticker. Who has time for that? Stop bothering with the sticker. Of course I'm going to add those speckled eggs. Like, seriously, please run to the Dollar Tree and pick those up, and a bag of moss. Really quick, really inexpensive, like $4 to make this. I think it looks sweet on the mantle, especially with these adorable pink Dollarama painted birds. I didn't go crazy this year. I definitely simplified it with just a few different pops of color from those, especially those speckled eggs. Love this wreath. I made it actually last year using dollar store flowers, but I added some of those speckled eggs, and it doesn't have to cost a lot. It didn't cost a lot, and it doesn't take a lot of time to hug your home for spring. I'm going to put a link down below to last year's Dollar Store Spring Decor video, so make sure you check that out. So here's my challenge for you this week. I want you to hug your home with a little spring decor, even if this isn't something you normally do. Even if you think it's super weird, I want you to add a little bit of sunshine into your home and use the hashtag #HugYourHome, share it on social media so I can see. I'm looking forward to it, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you guys so much for those of you who have stayed to the end. So I'm a hypocrite because I go into people's homes or I talk to people and I'm like, you know what? You have to purge and embrace today and not have stuff you're not using and loving. And then I have a Harry Potter closet, which is like Monica from Friends level bad. Stuff to the ceiling, Heidi hoarder, shit I'm not using. Everything, I just shove it and I shut the door. I have one closet, one storage in my whole house. That's it. Christmas decorations, suitcases, like all the things that I'm like, I'm buying new throw pillows this week, but I can't get rid of the old throw pillows because I might want to use them and I have a problem with throw pillows. I probably have, no word of a lie, 35 decorative pillows shoved in this Harry Potter closet, and like 6 totes for Christmas and 1 for spring and 1 for Easter and 1 for fall and 1 for Halloween, because fall and Halloween are somehow different. It's absurd. I have a problem. I need help. And I'm also a big fat fraud because I'm telling you guys you need to purge and blah blah blah, but I'm not taking my own medicine, and my Harry Potter closet is a freaking disaster with a capital D. So you're not alone, and nobody's perfect. Maybe some people are. I'm not perfect, and even though I claim I'm an organizing expert, I have a giant nasty wart living in my basement, and it's just my junk. My point is, no one is perfect. Even people who are experts at things, like they claim to be organizing experts, they may have a disgusting closet filled with garbage in their basement. Everyone's kind of a little fraudy. Everyone has imposter syndrome. Everyone feels like crap about themselves, or they're not good enough, or not blah, 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 blah. I'm just telling you that's the way it is. And so don't be so hard on yourself. If you are hard on yourself, just don't be. This is random. I'll see you guys next time.